Hello, this is my prototype of my project. It is entitled J. Swanton Ivy Realty, the Property Management Primer for the Next Generation. So what we want to do with this is we want to take property management principles and teach them to our newest employees who are millennials, younger folks in the 20 to 25 age range, both male and female, that are residing here in Athens. But we want them to be able to identify how proactive property management adds value to a property, the four main aspects of property management, which are cleanliness, safety, maintenance, and landscaping. Identify how proactive property management prolongs the life of a property, and we want them to learn the standard operating procedures for turning over a rental unit between residents. So the first block of standard operating procedures is for cleaning. The basic principles here are working from top to bottom for maximum efficiency, cleaning tubs, toilets, sinks, making sure everything is sparkling white with Dow scrubbing bubbles. We want to always clean the front door, paint, and sill so that there's a welcoming first impression. Kitchen counters and sinks, always cleanliness and properly caulked so that it just looks and smells clean when you walk in the kitchen. And then wiping out the refrigerator with baking soda for shine and odor control. So for each one of these modules, we'll go through the basic standard operating procedures, and I've got photos as well. So also sweeping and mopping floors with Murphy's Oil Soap or Minwax for shiny look and feel. If there's carpets, steam clean the carpets. Cleaning windows and windowsills with a squeegee for speed and efficiency. Wiping down the blades on the ceiling fan, and wiping down baseboards and door casings. Now for each one of these standard operating procedures, I've got a lot of the cleanliness photos posted. I still am building, so I will add more for the other modules later, but for starters, we'll go through these pictures that indicate or demonstrate these procedures. So for ceiling fans, we want to make sure the blades are clean and that LED bulbs are installed. LED bulbs minimize the need for a tenant to get on a ladder and change a light bulb, which that eliminates liability for the owner as well as a long-lasting bulb. Alright, cleaning air vents with a duster to keep air quality and give a clean appearance. Changing air filters, note the quality and the size of the filter so that we have that recorded for the unit. Wiping out the fridge with baking soda for smell and odor control. Cleaning toilets with Dow scrubbing bubbles. Probably toilets should look like this, nice and clean and white. Sinks, clean them out with Dow scrubbing bubbles as well. That's what a clean sink should look like. Cleaning windows with a squeegee for speed and efficiency. Wiping out door sills and making sure the paint is clean on the front door. This is a magic eraser. These things are a miracle product in the world of property management. They remove a ton of stains so that it minimizes paint touch-up. Here's what they look like on the baseboards. So that is mainly the cleanliness module. We've also got a safety module, which goes into a little bit deeper, but we're mainly looking at things like smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, making sure they've got fresh batteries, checking the electrical outlets, checking the windows and door locks, and rekeying the exterior locks. This is a voltmeter. This is the correct setting to check a 9-volt battery. You want it on DC and 20 volts. Always check the batteries before you put them in the smoke detector. That way you're sure that they are a fresh battery. Checking all electrical outlets for proper ground. This is the correct reading for a regular outlet, a grounded outlet. This is a smart lock, or procedures for rekeying the locks. You always want to rekey locks between tenants for security purposes. Then typically for cleanliness, the last thing you do is mop the floors after all the other painting and cleanup work is done. For maintenance standard operating procedures, we want to check all handrails for proper attachment and stability, confirm LED light bulbs and all exterior lighting fixtures. We check the filters, we check the LED bulbs on the inside. We also want to make sure all the paint is clean and bright. In terms of landscaping on the outside, we want to keep all foundation plants properly trimmed for safety and to minimize hiding places. Make sure there's no thorny plants allowed around the foundation. Blow off all surfaces like porches and patios and steps. We want to clean the gutters to make sure all proper rain is running away from the property. And we want to keep the grass cut every 2 weeks during growing season for curb appeal and first impression. And we do want to add seasonal color as needed. This photo of cleaning gutters with a plastic gutter scoop so we don't puncture the gutters with a metal one, and it ensures proper gutter functioning. So the point of all of these modules is to understand that value is added from proactive property management. There's all of these things add value. They also minimize service calls. Added value plus quick maintenance responses means happy tenants. Happy tenants stay longer and they treat the property better, and there's lower turnover. And well-maintained properties with low turnover and low wear and tear mean higher profits for the property owner. So that is the prototype. Now I've got to start putting it in Storyline and making some of these photos as pop-ups positioned within the respective content. So that's all for now. Thank you very much.